Hello, manufacturing folks. Here we are today at the brand new launch of the REGO-FIX India's office. Here I'm having with us Mr. Pascal Forrer along with me, and he's going to get us some more information about the expansion and now the plans regarding the Indian market.
Very welcome. Thank you very much, Ulrich, and also coming for this important opening here of the REGO-FIX India office. It's a pleasure to have you here. For us, this is really a big step. Finally, after so many years, REGO-FIX is now being present with an own office, with our own warehouse, and with our own staff to be able to better serve the Indian customers in terms of technology, support, and also distribution of our products.
Whenever even in India, we used to see REGO-FIX brand was already here present in India. But the purpose of setting up this office here is, if you can elaborate on it more.
Yeah, well, the brand itself, REGO-FIX, is an old company. It has been established in 1950. We are represented here for many decades, also in India, mainly to distribution partners, which have been pushing our products successfully here in India. Now, what we're doing with this office is just we're going to one more step, which is basically not just giving a better distribution of our product, logistic solutions, but also providing a good technical support, especially in challenging applications in mold and die, in aerospace, in automotive. It's important that we are in a close contact with the customer. We need this direct communication between end user and manufacturers so that we can really set up also the right product so that we can improve his processes, improve cost per piece, and finally increase the productivity overall.
That's great. And talking about the Indian market, since now you have started your office here in India, what are your views upon the Indian market, since a lot of international companies or brands are coming here in India, maybe this year, or they see a growth in the upcoming 5 to 7 years in India. So according to you, how would you like to market REGO-FIX here in India?
Well, for me, it's a very fascinating market. First time I came to India is about 10 years ago, and it changed so much during that time, in this short period. I always say the Indian market is going from this conventional boring machine to 5x milling machine. So it's almost like a leap in a very fast-pacing market. It's a very competitive market also. We have to do our homework, that we have a competitive solution also for our customer. But when you see the industry that have been popping up in the past years, semiconductor industry, aerospace, a tier 1 supplier for automotive, it's an extremely important and an extremely interesting market for us, also from a strategic standpoint for the next years to come.
REGO-FIX being making Swiss company, but here in India, there are a lot of companies, international brands promoting Make in India also.
Yeah.
So in the upcoming years, if possible, would you like to set up any manufacturing facility here, or how do you see India in that aspect to build a local supply chain?
We are currently still in the learning curve, so we are now setting up here the first step with the product of distribution, direct distributions, and we need to have a better understanding of the market. We know where we are strong, we know where we have to improve ourselves, and eventually we also know where we're going to have further investments here in the Indian market, especially in the years to come if we are growing also in the pace that we're expecting.
That's great. Thank you. Again, we would like to congratulate you on this beautiful office. Thank you so much for giving your time. Thank you.
Thank you, Cheryl, for coming here, and thank you for celebrating this day with us.
Thank you.